Well, hello! Today we will be learning how to do something very exciting. We're going to be learning how to make polygons. I know, you did not feel as excited as I felt when I said that. But the great thing about this is that you will now be able to create any shape that is made up of straight lines. Anything you can think of. So think of something with straight lines. Yeah, you could code that now. All right? So far you might be saying, like, we've learned how to do polygons. We did triangles, right? We did quadrilaterals. We did rectangles. Those are all, polygons. But those are just like two types of polygons, right? Those are three-sided and four-sided figures. But we can do things with 100 sides, 1,000 sides. So today we're really going to open up a lot of possibilities by teaching you how to make any kind of polygon you can imagine. Now the real thing that's going to be going on is that we're going to just tell the computer a bunch of dots, like a lot of points or vertices, and it'll connect the dots for us. That's really what's going on here. But we can give it as many points as we want. It'll connect all those dots for us. So really we can make anything we can imagine. So without further ado, let's get it going. So let's look at what we're going to code today. We're going to be coding this house. Now, formally, we would call this a pentagon because it has 5 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But really, we're coding a house today. So how do we do it? Well, to code any polygon, what we're going to do is say begin shape to start us off. Now, begin shape tells the computer, I'm going to start making a shape right now. So anything under here, I want you to connect those dots. So we start with begin shape, and that S being capital is very important. If you do not capitalize the S, it will not work. Capitalization matters in computers. I mean, it matters in general, but it really matters when you're coding. The next part is to start giving it the points. And the way we do that is first look up a point that we want to do. So let's start with this one, and that's at 100, 320. So we just say vertex, right? That's like a corner. We want that point at 100, 320. That's the first point. And then we just repeat this process for all the points. So the next point we have is over here. This is another vertice. So we do it at 100, 120. So we say vertex 100, 120. Then we go to the next one. It's over here. It's at 260. Or sorry, it's at 240. My bad. Vertex 200, then 40. Then we go to the next one. It's at 300, 120. And then we go to the next one, and it's at, let's go down here, it's at 300, 320. So vertex 300, 320. Now we're not done, because you have to tell the computer when you're done making your shape. So like, I've put all my points in, I'm now done. That's when you say end shape. Now keep in mind that S has to be capitalized, capitalization matters. And we press play, and let's see if that worked. Done. Look, we got a house. All we had to do is say begin shape. Remember, started off, we want to make a shape. We gave it all the points that we wanted to connect, and then we said end shape. Now, if you're like me, you might have noticed something. Said, wait, where's the line on the bottom? That's kind of annoying. That's easy to do. If you want the computer to like close the shape, connect all the dots to the end, all you have to do is provide it with this thing. It's called close. And close tells the computer, hey, close that shape, and look, there it is. Now the final thing I want to talk about is the order. The only really big thing that could be annoying is that you have to do these in order that you want the dots connected. So we did like in order, like this one, then this one, then this one, then this one, then this one. But let's say I gave it all the right points, but I didn't put them in the order, the correct order. Like I didn't put them in the order that they should be connected. So let's say I went from here to here. That's the fourth point. Well, if we take that fourth point, all right, and let's move that over here, I want you to see what happens. Let's look at this. Press play. You see what happened there? I mean, it did exactly what we told it. Remember, computers are really stupid. They just follow exact instructions. They went from the first point to the second point that we provided to the third point, fourth, fifth. So the order matters that you put them in. It will connect it in the exact order that you put it in. So it's got to be exactly the order that you want the dots connected, and that's all you got to do. All right, that's it for this video. Can't wait to see what you create. I'm done with polygons.